guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 16th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to wrap up our discussion on background properties in CSS. So for this tutorial what I've done is I have copied some text of Argentina's Wikipedia page. So this is some stuff about the country, the landmass, and a little bit of text about the country's history. So I've just copied and pasted that text within paragraph tags in the body section, and of course I've also got an H1 level heading within the body of the document that has the text Argentina. So within the style section I have two new properties, stuff that we are going to encounter for the first time in the course. One is background attachment and the other one is background size. So I have included an image which is Argentina's flag, and I'll show you how the image looks. So this is Argentina's flag, and I am going to have it as a background for my web page. So when I open the file in Google Chrome, I see that the flag doesn't completely cover the web page. So if you want this flag to completely cover the web page, then what you'll have to do is you'll have to use the background size property and mention the size of the image in inches, the height as well as the width. So let's say you want to have 15 inches as the height and 15 inches as the width. You'll have to type in 15in twice, and you'll also have to give a space in between. So when I save the file now and refresh it in my browser, I see that it completely covers the web page. In fact, it's slightly bigger, so you could maybe use a smaller number there. And the next property that we're going to check out is the background attachment property. So if you look at the web page, as I'm scrolling down, the image is moving along with the text, right? So I'm able to see the text at the bottom of the page, but as I scroll down I see that the flag is also moving up. So in case you want the flag to remain fixed and you want only the text to move on the web page, then what you could do is, for the background attachment property, you could give a value of fixed. So I'll type in fixed here, save the file, and when I refresh it in the browser, and now when I scroll down, I see that the text is actually moving up while the image stays in a fixed position. So by default the behavior for this property is set to scroll. So if you do not mention a value here, or if you mention the value scroll, it's going to behave in the same way. Make sure the file is saved, and when I refresh it in the browser, you can see that the image is moving with the text. But if I want it to stay fixed, then I'll have to type in fixed here, and when I refresh the page now and scroll, I see that the text is moving while the image stays fixed. So you could play around with the the value for the size, or depending upon your requirements, you could have a fixed or scroll value for the background attachment property. That's it for this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video, in which we'll continue our discussion on CSS. Maybe check out few font properties. That's what a lot of people get excited about. So I hope you guys had fun watching this video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you soon. Till then, take care.